How to know my Yahoo Mail password? If you forgot your Yahoo Mail password, since Yahoo does not show save password, you can try this method to recover or reset. You have to check save password in iPhone settings. Open your settings. Scroll down and select passwords. Access your Touch ID. In search bar, type Yahoo. If you have saved, tap your Yahoo account to view the stored password. You have to tap onto the password and the password will be visible to you. If your password manager like iCloud Chain, Google Password or LastPassword, check there for your saved password. If you can't find your password, reset it. You have to go to the Yahoo Mail login page and select Forget Password. Follow the instruction to set a new password. And that's it. Now you know how to find or reset your Yahoo Mail password.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.